big greens for lettuce wraps and buns. Just cut out the spines and stack them like in this YouTube video by Abbey. Make stuffed peppers. Experiment with rutabaga and turnip. Try roasting whole heads of garlic in the oven. You get sweet caramelized cloves. Check out this video. Frozen veggies are super convenient. They're great to add to sauces, soups, stews, and casseroles. Zucchini noodles, the vegetable everyone loves to hate. You can pick up a spiralizer at most larger stores now. Here we're making zoodles, but you can spiralize other vegetables. Just add them to salted water and let them sit for 5 minutes. This draws out some moisture, because you don't want watery zoodles. This is a good step for riced cauliflower too. It's important to cook your noodles first, just until softened. Then add your sauce or flavoring. This is zoodles in Alfredo sauce, and it's one of my favorites. If you cook your noodles in a salty sauce or flavoring, it draws out water, making for a clumpy or watery mess, and that goes for most veggies. One of my favorites, roasted cauliflower. I tried radish here too, but you can use any veggie. Add a good amount of oil, then a good amount of seasoning, toss to coat, and spread evenly on a baking sheet or roasting pan. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. The charred bits are really good. It's my favorite way to cook cauliflower, and even the leftovers are good. Cooking coleslaw mixes, one of my favorite side dishes. You can make this 100 different ways. This example is an Asian mix. Add the contents to 2 tablespoons of oil and saute on medium heat. This recipe incorporates the flavor pack too. Here, I remove the slivered almonds because we're not going to be using the cranberries. Once the colors begin to brighten up, turn it down to low. You don't want to overcook it. I added the salad dressing, then spinach to add more bulk, then the almonds. Toss to coat and just heat through. I added some soy sauce to make it less salady and more stir-fry-y. You don't need this. This, my friend, is the tasty result. You're looking at 4 servings of veg cooked down, you're eating a variety of colors and getting healthy fats.